Now, the application of data science is everywhere. Be it in the healthcare company, they use data science to build sophisticated medical instruments to detect and cure diseases. So now I'll come to the case studies about the healthcare, but the healthcare, they have used this data analysis and taken it to that level. That's where the healthcare, they have different kind of mechanism. They have different kind of the database I designed that in the university, in the hospital, which helps the doctors, the clinical, the investigators to decide the outcome of the patient, and that helps in curing the disease. So that's important thing. Then gaming, video and computer games are now being played by all of you. But how do you know how? Because these games which you do, they also have all this stored data inside the gaming games. So that also is one of the important, data is important for gaming industry too. Then image recognition. Now we see that any object, any people, any face recognition, how can we do a face image recognition? There must be some mechanism. The mechanism is we have a data behind the mechanism. So that is also important. Data is important in image recognition. Recommendation system, Netflix and Amazon, what they put up in the movie, they have the product recommendation based on what you like to watch, purchase or browse. So some in Netflix and Amazon, we see several movies of different age groups. You guys might be interested of the action thriller, the sci-fi like movies, the fiction movies. So they also analyze the trend, the pattern of the data. What are the need of the people who are using the Amazon or Netflix? Then data is also needed for logistic purposes. It helps. The more the data is there, the companies can ensure faster delivery of products. Let's say you stay in Hyderabad in one of the prime location. Okay, so the companies will find out your area, how far you can reach if you have ordered something over online through Amazon, and they will figure out like how much time it will reach to deliver. So that is also dependent on the data, and that increases their operational efficiency. Then also the data can help fraud detection. That's very important. Nowadays, the fraud detection is like everywhere you see or we know. There are many people, the scammers are sitting there just to squeeze money from different things. So you can do a fraud detection. Let's say a bank. If you are transacting with a bank, the scammers are always there, watchful eyes in your phone, in your laptop. They will try to squeeze your money. But if you're alert, you know that they will provide you the data immediately that someone is trying to access your bank. You quickly browse through the data, and then you can stop that.